Try this if you want your house to smell like a billionaire's house and also have this to decorate your space with just few ingredients in your home. So to make this beautiful, decorative and sweet smelling DIY at home, I'll be needing sea salt. Here I have fine sea salt powder. We have the coarse one and the fine one, but here I am going to be using the fine sea salt. And then I have my sugar sprinkles. This is really optional. It's just to give a beautiful effect on the salt. And then I'll get a glass container or a glass vase, whatever you want to use to make this. You can use a decorative flower vase or whatever, just so it can serve for decorative purpose. If it's not to serve for a decorative purpose, then you can use a random glass or recycled glass. Then I'm just going to be adding my sea salt and the sugar sprinkles in the vase. Remember, the sprinkles are just to give this kind of effect and it's not compulsory. So I'll be adding this bit by bit. So after this, I'm going to be adding fabric softener into this here. I'm using this pink fabric softener from Comfort. This fabric softener smells really well and it's just going to help the fragrance that I'm going to add into this smell better and also help the fragrance to smell out. So after this, I'm going to choose my choice of essential oil to use. I chose vanilla essential oil here and I'm just adding a few drops onto this, and you don't have to push the essential oil deep in the salt, just let it be so that it can smell really out. Then I'm just going to add the sprinkle for a finished touch so that it just can be fit for a decorative piece. To finish this beautiful, good smelling and decorative piece, I'm going to be adding an artificial flower to it. So I got this one which seems like a perfect match, and I'm just going to be placing this on top to give a beautiful finish. As you can see, make sure to reserve some spaces so that the essential oil can always smell out, and you can replace your essential oil with few more drops after a few days when they start wearing out. You can also make this with any kind of fragrance of your choice, but I choose to use vanilla because I like the mild smell. Also, this piece does not need a very big space, it needs a very little space to smell really well. If you want this for a big space, you will need to have more than one jar. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also help me to hit the subscribe button. It is totally free. So if you want your house smelling good, I hope you try this piece. If you do so, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I'll see you next time in another video on this channel. Bye.